Hello, Stevies. So we are out in the garage today because Miss Stevie has to work from home now because of this virus that's going around. So that's no big deal. We're just going to come out here in the garage and do this. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to connect Sena microphones to my GoPro. And what I did, I'll show you this first, is I found these connectors. 3.5 millimeter to 2.5 millimeter. I'll put the link in the description below and I'll show these a little bit later on too. This is $4 and this hopefully is going to change motovlogging completely for me anyway. Most people don't have the problems I have. I don't understand why I do, but we've said it before, most of our stuff's in the highway and stuff, so we're at highway speeds, so not saying that anybody else does that too. They've just got it figured out and I don't, but hopefully this is the answer for what we do. So I've got my Sena microphones in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get you guys in there. I'll put a little video in here. I'll take another one and I'll put a little video in here of that. Yeah. I'll take a little video of the microphones in here, but I've got one that you kind of see right here next to the speaker. Speaker's here, microphone is right here. I put the microphones in first just to make sure they would work. This is the microphone that goes to my Sena. That's the boom microphone. Right here is the other microphone. And I'm not sure how this is going to work out yet, but I hope it works better than the other microphones did. So I'm going to get these hooked up. I've got them coming out right here. I know that these adapters work. I've used them already. So I've got these adapters. I've got this splitter, which this goes into the dongle on the right here, the microphone adapter for the GoPro. And obviously the GoPro goes on the front of the helmet. So we will get this arranged. So here we have it, guys, the finished product. I have the microphones inside like I showed you guys earlier, and I have everything taped up on the side. This is the way I usually do it, so I don't have to put this great big splitter inside my helmet because that hurts. There's really nowhere to put it where you're not making a cheek pad bulge out or something like this. And I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do this kind of thing, but this is not my favorite setup. I'm not gonna lie to you, but if the audio is really good, then I might not really care about how it looks on the outside, but it's cloudy out, so I'm gonna throw the clear visor on and we're gonna take it for a ride. We'll see what it's like.
Hello. Phone connected.
Oh man. Hello, Stevies. Visor cannot see out of it. Or is it my glasses? It's my glasses, never mind. Alright, everything's fogging up like crazy. Awesome. Man, 55 degrees today, and it's supposed to be 15 degrees tomorrow night. So, man, I cannot get my glasses to stop from fogging up. So, you're gonna have to live with me opening up the visor a lot. We are testing it out. If you guys watched the live video that we did not too long ago, you know that I'm trying out a new Motovlog setup, and I figured out a way to, I don't know if I figured out a way, but I found a way through a series of adapters to hook up the Sena microphones to my GoPro. Man, I just cannot get it. Now we're gonna have to live with it open a little way. You guys know that when it's windy, my microphone is always popping. Hopefully this fixes it. That's what I'm shooting for anyway, is that this fixes that problem. But if this works and you guys are seeing this, this means that I shouldn't have any more microphone trouble. I use the word shouldn't very loosely. But we all know that it would pop like crazy in the wind, and it's not really windy today. Imagine that. It's just cold, of course. If it's nice, it's windy. If it's cold, it's not. Let's make this puppy rock and roll a little bit and see if we can't get this microphone to start popping like it used to. If I have everything set right, then 70 mile an hour, 80 mile an hour, nothing should matter. Because with the Sena microphones, it doesn't matter through the Sena, so I would imagine it would work the same way. Everything is crazy right now because of this coronavirus. I mean, it's nuts. Miss Stevie's got to work from home now. She works for the University of Nebraska-ish. My kid, he isn't going to school anymore. Hopefully that's not messing with the audio too much right there. You know, I could open it all the way. I'm wearing glasses. Ooh, Nelly. I wonder what that sounds like. Is that too loud? If you guys can still hear me now with the visor open at 70 mile an hour, then this is motovlogging gold. I didn't believe that puppy dog wanted to come and get me. Man, it feels good out here though. I'm surprised. It's chilly, but it feels good still. Alright, I'm gonna pull over right up here. And I'll be back with you guys in just 1 second. It works. There's a little bit of a tingy sound, which I don't know if I can fix that by just moving the microphone, but trial and error, and so far I'm just happy it's working. That's what I'm happy about. That's awesome. I'm very happy with this so far. I think I can improve on it. I think there's stuff that can be improved on, obviously, because I just said that. But I think this is going to work out. And I think it's going to work out a lot better than my other Motovlog setup. And that's going to make me so happy. And I can't see anything now because everything's fogged up again. Man, I need to not wear glasses when I ride anymore. Need to put in the old contacts. The old contacts. But I'm so happy that this is going to work out. I think I got some fine tuning to do, but I will put a link of this adapter in the description below, and that's all you need. I obviously have 2 of them because I have 2 microphones in my helmet, and I went with the wired microphones from Sena. So we got 30K as a dual pack, so I have 2 wired microphones, 2 wired boom microphones, and 2 boom microphones, because obviously it comes with the dual kit. And with our Senas, we're using the boom microphones. So I use the wired microphones on both my voice and what you'll pick up from the Sena for Miss Stevie's voice. I could always try different microphones too, I guess, but I'm hoping that this works out because it's very comfortable. I don't feel the microphones inside the helmet for once. Nothing's pressing up against my ear. Nothing's making it really uncomfortable for me. So I'm really enjoying this right now, and I still can't get my glasses to unfog and stuff. So I'm just gonna call it a day, I think. I do believe I've tested out everything I needed to test out, And I know that right now with the wind that's hitting my helmet, my old Motovlog setup would be popping. So I think this is going to be better in the long run. I think that there is some fine tuning left to do. Like maybe put a dead cat over this front microphone maybe. Maybe that'll take out some of this tinging that I hear, but or maybe when I get done moving everything over it'll be better anyway, but fogging up. Yay. Opening up the visor. But I checked the audio when I was pulled over back there, and even with the visor all the way open, I can still hear my voice. And I think that's pretty darn cool. I think this is going to work out pretty well. Oh, I'm on Miss Stevie's bike. Don't tell her. I just took it. I didn't ask. Everybody, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see me on this transition of switching over to these microphones and changing, hopefully, motovlogging for myself forever, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we'll have more videos about this in the future. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when we load up next. And until next time, everybody stay cool. Oh, we're on the Fury. 2 gears. And until next time, everybody stay cool. And we will see you on the road.